Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well and having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from Target, and it is their April 2019 beauty boxes. These boxes are $7 each, and this is not a monthly subscription. You have to go onto Target's website and order them. They are usually available the first Monday of every month, but the last 2 months, they were available the second Monday of the month. And depending on how good the box is, it could sell out very fast, or you can continue to purchase it throughout the month. And I do believe you can still get March's beauty box on their website along with the April. So this is the first box, and their boxes are beautiful. So this is like a yellowy gold box. So here's the lid. And this box is Naturel Beauty. And they give you, the back of their card gives you the 6 items that are in the box, gives you a $3 off $15 beauty purchase or more. And let's get right into the box. You always get a nice colored tissue paper. With this box, it's brown. It goes, I guess, with the, the yellow gold. So the first product in the box is from Shea Moisture. And this is the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. And this one is for blemish-prone skin. And this is 1.5 ounces. And I guess for the most part, probably anybody could use that because I guess we're all blemish-prone. So that is, and that feels like a pretty full sample. So that's nice. The second product in here is from Schmidt's, and most people probably have not heard of that company. I had not until I received some samples in my Target boxes, and Schmidt's is a very good brand. I'm currently sampling one of the toothpaste that I've received in their box. It's like a, I think it's a charcoal activated. It's a gray colored toothpaste, and it is phenomenal. It's better than some of the big brand toothpaste that are out there that cost you a fortune. So this happens to be their cedar wood and juniper natural soap. And this is with charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. And this is, it's moisture rich for face and body. And you can see that it's just, small little, probably like hotel size sample of soap. So that's always pretty good. I'm excited to try that. Looks like we have a couple products in here from Love Planet and Beauty. And this is the coconut water and mimosa flower hand lotion. So that's pretty nice, and that's once again a pretty full sample, and this is 1 fluid ounce. And then the other Love Beauty and Planet product in here is, it is their Muru Butter and Rose Blooming Strength and Shine. It's a 2-minute hair mask. So that's 1.5 ounces. I would tend to think, depending on the length of your hair, and this is pretty, it's pretty packed in there. You could probably do that twice. You wouldn't have to use all that on your hair. The next product in this box is from a company called The Good Stuff, and this is a complete repair balm, and it's a no rinse conditioner. And this is, oh, here we go, 2 ounces. So that's a nice size, and that looks like it's pretty full to the top. And then the last item, which is exciting, Burt's Bees is a very good company. And this is their enamel care. So this is fluoride toothpaste, and it is Mountain Mint. And it's your normal size, and it says save $1 on full size. So there's a coupon on the back, which is good if you like this product. You could save $1. So there are the 6 products that are in this box. Oops. Just throwing stuff. So that's always exciting. I love the Target beauty boxes for the sheer fact that you can just try out all different brands and sample size before you buy a full size and decide you don't like it. So that's the next box. That's very pretty. I love saving these boxes to either if I want to do a giveaway, because these are nice sturdy boxes, or even just to save things in and store. So this one is April Showers. And this one, it tells you the 6 items that you're getting, and you usually do get 6. And then this one, you scan your coupon. So a little different. I've seen them both ways. And this tissue paper is orange, so let's tuck that away. And let's get started. The first product is from Bliss, and it's that Incredi Peel Spa Strength Glycolic resurfacing pad to smooth and brighten. So you get one pad to try out, which is nice. This way you could try it out if you don't like it. I mean, you really probably would need several to decide if you like it or don't like it. But at least they give you the one. This is from Bedhead, and this is TIGI After Party. This is a smoothing cream for your hair. You know, adds shine, helps anti-frizz, and it helps block out humidity, which definitely would help with the frizz in the summer months, which most of us are coming into if you're in the United States. The next product is from Degree, and this is a Motion Sense Dry Spray, and it's ultra clear black and white, and I think this is for women. It's an antiperspirant, so that's, what is the ounce? That's a 1 ounce size. That's like the size of my hand, so that's a great, you know, weekender. Obviously fits the TSA travel if you're traveling. And these samples are always good if you, all of a sudden you run out of deodorant. At least you have something. Better than nothing is my motto. Oh, okay, I've tried this before from Dove. And this is a dry shampoo for volume and fullness. And this is 1.15 ounce, so TSA approved size. I never complain about that. I never used to use dry shampoos, and now I love them. It helps save my hair. You know, after like day 2, I try to only wash my hair maybe once a week, twice a week. It just really depends how much. If I've restyled it a few times, if I already used the dry shampoo, then it's, you know, then I wash it. But I used to wash my hair every day, and that just was stripping my hair. So now I try to do it twice a week, especially in the wintertime. I was just doing it twice a week. Now that the summer months are coming, it'll probably be a little bit more often, but dry shampoo will save everyone's hair. And this product, which is very interesting, this is from Soap and Glory, and I give them an A+ for packaging. This is phenomenal. And I know a lot of us will purchase based upon the packaging. I know I'm a sucker for good packaging. And this is really nice. And this is a Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. So that's nice. And they feel like they're pretty, you know, pretty substantial in there. And these would stay on 20 to 25 minutes, as you can see there, 20 to 30 minutes. So that's nice. Never say no to those. I've never tried Soap and Glory's. I've tried some of their products, but not their eye masks. And then here we have from Crest 3D White, and this is, I guess they're Brilliance brand. I know they have different kinds. So it's always good to have samples. I have a whole bin in my linen closet with toothpaste and toothbrushes and all the dental flosses and picks because I've gotten so many samples. So I can't tell you the last time I bought toothpaste. Why not use the samples? So that's that. So we got some pretty nice stuff in, and when you go onto the website, you do get to see what is in the boxes that you're purchasing. So I never skip a month because I generally like them. If I didn't like the products in one of these boxes, I probably would not have purchased it. But I liked most of the products, if not all of them, in both boxes. So for $14, I don't complain. I have 2 drawers that are full of all sample products. And when I do giveaways, I take like one of my makeup bags that I get from Ipsy and I fill them with all the samples, or I'll include them in the giveaway so that I can share some of these samples, because I could never possibly use all these samples. I give them away to my family and my sister and for her 2 girls all the time. Face masks and all kinds of stuff. You just can't possibly use it all. So they are the 2 boxes from Target Beauty for April 2019. And thanks so much for watching my video. And if you would be so kind as to leave me a comment, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked the video. And it really does help the channel with YouTube to help recommend the video and my channel with on other people's pages so that we can bring in some more subscribers. My 500 subscriber giveaway is still active. I think we're at 483 or so. So we have to get to 500 before I can give that away. So go enter that if you have not. And I appreciate you watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.